You must first remove the 2 screws securing the switch plate to the wall. With the switch plate freed, slowly feed the wires out. Be careful not to pull or jerk on them. Doing so could undo a connection and drop the wire down into the wall. Once the wire connections are exposed, take note of each connection to make connecting the new harness go more smoothly. If need be, use tape and a marker to label them. Be sure to cap your power wire to avoid the risk of shock or shorting out the wires. If you prefer, you can swap wires from the old harness to the new one at a time to help keep the order correct and reduce the risk of shorting the power wire against anything. Reconnect each wire according to function. Red should be incoming power, black should be incoming ground. Blue and white are your extend or retract wires headed from the switch to the motor. Once all the wires are reconnected, feed them back into the wall, but do not allow the harness connector to fall back inside the hole. Connect the switch to the harness connector and then place it back into the hole. Resecure the switch in place with 2 set screws. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, as this could crack the face of the switch plate.